Hi friends, welcome back to my channel You Can Love Chemistry. Today we are discussing about an organic reaction, dienone phenol rearrangement. This is simply a reaction in which one of the dienone is given here. An example of a dienone. So this is an example of a 4,4. This is the fourth position. 4,4 disubstituted cyclohexadienone. Okay. So this 4,4 disubstituted cyclohexadienone, when treated with mineral acid, it converted into a phenol. Okay. This one is converted into a phenol by migration of one of the substituent to the adjacent carbons. So, in a dienone phenol rearrangement, 4,4 disubstituted hexadienone is treated with a mineral acid. It is converted into a phenol by the migration of one of the substituent group to the adjacent carbon. Okay, so let's discuss about what is the mechanism of this particular reaction. Okay. This is the example of a dienone. In presence of an acid, this oxygen get protonated. Okay, this oxygen get protonated and it become okay. So the first step is the protonation of this carbonyl oxygen and form a protonated carbonyl compound, and in the second step this protonated carbonyl compound rearranges to a tertiary carbocation. That is, this bond gets shifted to this oxygen, then this gets shifted to this side, and this group is shifted to this side, and this is the step in which a tertiary carbocation is formed. Okay, so this bond remains same, this become OH, and here is one bond, and this Me group is migrated to this side, and here presence of one Me group, that is methyl group, and here it become positive. Okay, this is the tertiary carbocation. Okay, so this is a tertiary carbocation, and next step in which this tertiary carbocation, in which here there is a presence of one hydrogen, so this hydrogen loses us H plus ion and gives an aromatic compound. So in order to retain the aromaticity, it is necessary to lose this particular hydrogen as H plus ion. So this could lose as H plus, and the product become okay. This is the product we call phenol. So simply this is the mechanism of a dienone phenol rearrangement. So I hope you get mechanism. That is, the first step is the protonation of this particular carbonyl oxygen, and this protonated carbonyl compound rearranges to a tertiary carbocation by the migration of one of the substituent in the fourth position, and this tertiary carbocation in which it rapidly eliminate one of the H plus from the structure and it become aromatic. So in order to attain the aromaticity, it rapidly eliminate this particular hydrogen. Okay, so the product become a phenol derivative. Okay, this is a phenol derivative, and we will see when the substituent is different. That is, here there is the two methyl groups, and what is the product formed when the substituent is other than methyl, or if there is a presence of two different substituent, what is the product, what is the substituent get migrated, that we will check. So look into another example. Here we consider one of the group is a phenyl group, then what is the product. Okay, so in presence of H plus, this become H plus Me and phenyl. This group get shifted, and this get shifted here. This phenyl group, so this phenyl group get migrated to this position, and this become OH, here pH, here Me. Okay, and the product is, sorry, this one. Here phenyl group, and this is Me. Okay, so this is the product that we get in this reaction. That is when the fourth position is substituted by Me. There is a methyl and phenyl group. The phenyl group is get migrated to the adjacent position. Okay, and we see another example. That is, if there is a presence of one of the group is phenyl, okay, and another group is ester group, the product become, that is, this OH get protonated, okay, and here phenyl group, and here COOET, and this bond shifted here, and compared to phenyl, this COOET, that is the ester group, get migrated to the adjacent carbon, because when phenyl group get migrated, we will see if phenyl migrates. Okay, if phenyl migrate, this become here phenyl group, and okay, here phenyl group, and here COOET, and this become positive. Okay, if this phenyl get migrated, this is the carbocation form. We can see here the COOET. This is a carbocation destabilizing group. That is, it is a withdrawing group, and when a withdrawing group is present at a carbocation or the carbon bearing positive charge, it become an unstable one. That is, it is this particular group destabilizes this carbocation. So if phenyl migrates, this is the carbocation formula, so this is not preferred in this case. And the second case is the migration of COET. Okay, COET migration, in which the carbocation is here OH, here COOET, and here, and here it is phenyl. This is a positive charge. Here we can see the carbocation or the carbon bearing positive charge to which the phenyl group is connected. So here the phenyl group could stabilize the neighboring cation. That is, it could stabilize this carbocation. Therefore, this is the preferred path, and the product become okay, so this is the preferred product. So just keep in mind that there is a presence of phenyl or methyl group. The phenyl group get migrated into the adjacent carbon, that is the preferred product. And in the case of this group, that is a phenyl or any withdrawing group, or this kind of carboxyl groups, the carboxyl group get migrated, or this withdrawing group get migrated to the adjacent carbon. Okay, this group get migrated to the adjacent carbon because we know that when this particular group or the disubstituted one in which one group migrated to the adjacent carbon, that carbon become a carbocation, and if already this carbon is electron deficient and a withdrawing group present in that particular carbon leads to more destabilization of this carbocation. Therefore, the preferred product is the one in which the withdrawing group, that is here the withdrawing group is this one, and that got migrated to the adjacent carbon, and this is the preferred product. I hope you get what is dienone-phenone rearrangement, and we can see what are the simple trick that we can apply here. When we consider all these products, we can see one similar thing, that is by comparing these products or the cytomethyl product, we can see that the third position in which the migrated group get attached. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, this is the third position to which the group migrated, and we can easily identify the product if we know which group is get migrated to the third position. Okay, here the case is same because the two groups are same. So in the case of methyl and phenyl group, the phenyl group get migrated to the third position, and in the case of phenyl and an electron withdrawing group or this kind of carboxylic group, the carboxylic group get migrated to the third position because, as I already mentioned, this tertiary carbocation is already electron deficient, and a group attached to that particular carbon having an electron withdrawing nature that will destabilize the carbocation, so that the withdrawing group get migrated to the third position. Okay, I hope you get the mechanism and also the migratory preference of this reaction, and let's discuss one more example. One example, this question is asked in CSIR NET exam 2014 December, and we look into the structure may be somewhat a larger one, that's why we do not attend the question because by seeing the structure, because it's a big one, but it is simply a pinnacle rearrangement, and in presence of acid this group get protonated and this become OH plus okay, sure. Then this group get migrated, shifted to this bond, get shifted to this side, this bond this side, and this methyl group get migrated to this side because this is the fourth position. One is the methyl group, other one is the part of ring structure. Therefore, this methyl group get migrated, and this become OH. Here methyl group, here also one methyl, and this is the ring. And this is the tertiary carbocation formed. Here presence of one hydrogen, and this bond gets shifted to this, and the product become okay. So this is the product formed in this reaction. So I hope you understand what is a dienone-phenone rearrangement, and if you have any doubt, please mention that in the comment box. We will see in the next class with another named reaction. Thank you.